Disbarred lawyer Tom Girardi is going to spend more than 7 years in federal prison for stealing almost $20 million from his clients. Pete Demetrio reports.
On what was his 86th birthday, Tom Girardi listened as Judge Josephine Staten indicated the 87-month federal prison term was warranted because of the scope of the frauds he had committed against clients. In addition to the sentence, Girardi was ordered to pay $2.3 million immediately to 4 clients he defrauded. U.S. Attorney for the Central District of California, Bill Saley, said it sends a message to the legal profession as a whole.
If you breach your ethical duties as a lawyer, you take advantage of the people you have a duty to protect, we will come after you. Not only will you lose your bar license, you'll go to prison.
Girardi had no comment to reporters as he left the courthouse to go back to an assisted care facility in Seal Beach. He'll have to surrender to the Bureau of Prisons and enter a federal facility on July 17th. At the downtown U.S. Courthouse, I'm Pete Demetrio, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Attorney and former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani says the feds showed Girardi knew what he was doing and was no victim when the swindling was happening.
Prosecution uses Girardi's own words, emails, text messages, communications with clients directly to show that he was lying to them. And he was less than honest about where those settlement funds were. And in fact, he was using them to fund his very lavish lifestyle.
Rahmani says stealing clients' money is the cardinal sin for attorneys.
I do think this sentence is justified. And I think a double-digit sentence would have been justified. This is someone who took advantage of the most vulnerable members of our society, and he really should pay the ultimate price.
He says what Girardi did was so bad that the state bar changed its rules for lawyers to try to prevent it from happening again. We have learned the identity of a second victim killed in the Baldwin Park shooting over the weekend. 43-year-old Darius Wong's family said he was not involved but was caught in the crossfire when an argument started over parking at a neighborhood party. Police say the suspect, 22-year-old Eduardo Roberto